Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the security. Here we have to scroll down to the device administration section, and on the second position we've got credential storage. And after tapping on it, as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option with this red color, remove all user certificates. So let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock like the pattern pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.